Want to learn how to create a glitter outline that you can add to your stickers, to your text, or any of your projects? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I'll share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is one of the tutorials of my glitter series for Procreate. In the previous tutorial, I'll share with you how to create a glitter texture pattern from scratch, and then we've used that pattern to create a glitter brush by combining two brushes that you can use in any background, even if it's a light or a darker one. If you haven't and would like to watch those previous tutorials, the links will be in the description below. Let's create a glitter outline effect that you can use to add to your text, stickers, or any of your projects. I'm gonna open the Procreate app. I'm using my screen size Canva to create this glitter outline. To speed up the process, I'm gonna use the Add Text feature. So I'm gonna go to Actions, Add Text, and I'm gonna write you first. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'm gonna double tap to select everything, and I'm gonna adjust this. So I'm gonna decrease the space in between the words. Select, increase, move it around. I'm gonna rotate this a little bit and place it over here. Now I wanna create kind of an outline effect, sticker effect. So to do that, what I'm gonna do is duplicate this layer over here, and the one underneath, I'm gonna tap in rasterize so I can play around with the colors. With 2 fingers, I'm gonna swipe to the right, and I'm gonna select the color white, tap to fill the entire layer. So as you can see, it's filled out with white. Swipe to the right to unlock this layer, and now I'm gonna go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur. I'm gonna blur this until I reach around 25. I'm happy with it. Now I'm gonna go to my selection tool, unselect the color fill. Actually, you can select the color fill and you can tap and see where you want the where you want the outline to go. So I'm happy with this bit over here. And now I want another outline. So I'm gonna go to this layer. I'm gonna duplicate it, and the one underneath, I'm gonna select this color over here. And then I'm gonna tap, hold, and drag to fill this layer over here. And now I'm gonna go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, and I'm gonna blur this around 25% as well. Okay, I'm happy with it. And now I'm gonna select on the selection tool, color fill selected, tap in the center, and I'm gonna increase until I'm happy with the outline. So I'm happy with this outline over here, but now we want the glitter outline. So I'm gonna repeat the process, duplicate the last layer, this one. I'm gonna change the color to white, tap, hold, and drag to fill the color. Now I'm gonna go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, the same process, and we are gonna increase it around 25%. I'm gonna go back to my automatic selection tool, color fill selected, and I'm gonna do it like this one. Okay, unselected. Now I want to clean the edges over here. So what I'm gonna do is unselect the color fill, automatic, click. So it has all these bits, all my stickers selected. I'm gonna invert and 2 fingers swipe down, and I'm gonna click on cut. So it cleans this the edges over here. Now I wanna add the glitter effect. To do that, I'm gonna use the glitter texture that we've created in the previous tutorial. I already have it here, and I'm gonna move it to this bit over here, and I'm gonna click on clipping mask. And there you go. We've created this nice outline effect with this outline glitter effect. But if you want to add a little bit more to it, this layer over here, the white one, this one, I'm going to duplicate it, change it to black, and I'm going to add a little bit of blur. So it gives a little bit that 3D effect, that pop. And I think this one as well, I'm going to do that. So this one, I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to change to the color black. Repeat the process, Gaussian blur, and blur this a little bit. And there you go. We've quickly created kind of a sticker effect with a glitter outline. And we are done. We have just created a glitter outline text effect that you can add to your stickers or any other project. In the next and final tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add a long shadow effect to a text with a halftone and a glitter twist to it. If you like glitter brushes, make sure to check out my full 3D glitter brush set for Procreate, or you can just grab a sample of the set. The links will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations.